So we are going to be getting the extrusion bed rack situated. Currently right now we have the tent off, which it's sitting right there. Notice that this is an Arcane Warrior or ADA Overland co-branded, but all the decals on it were already fading, peeling, and it's been on the truck for, I don't know, 8 months or so. But we got to take all the stickers off, and then we will be either wrapping it. I don't know what color, but we are going to be putting a solar panel on here, and then this will be going on the trailer. And so the bed rack, we have to basically loosen everything up and add more cross members. So we'll be, like on this side you'll see there's two, on that side there's only one. So we'll be adding more, two on each side, and then we'll be adding a couple up top as well. We're going to be doing, like, this is a half slide out, which honestly I have no idea why they even offer that. You can't really do much with it. It can only go out maybe 8 inches or so. So we got full length slide outs that we're going to be putting on, and then we have an access gate that we're going to be adding. So I needed to get that tent off in order to add more cross members, because you can see I tried to add more cross members on this side, and you can see how bad I scratched the rack up there, which I got touch-up paint, but still, you got to have everything loose in order for these things to fit. And to get this bed rack loose and able to slide in other bars, everything's got to be pretty much loose. So I had to take that tent off, which the tent was coming off anyway, but we need to get it off and loosen this thing up and add more bars so we can do the build properly. I've had everything for, gosh, I don't even know how long, way too long. But and as you know, if you order from Xtrusion, the wait time is normally 4 to 8 weeks, and I had a mishap where I ordered the slide outs, and instead of getting slide outs I ended up getting a case of Bibles. I have no idea what happened there, but so they had to send out a new set, so got that. But yeah, if you do order from Xtrusion, it's a great company, great product, but their shipping is interesting. And a lot of the slide outs, like I got 2 of these half slide outs, it didn't come with end plates. I mean, and yeah, so not too happy with the way they ship things, but ended up finally getting stuff and going a different route. I found a place here in Denver that sells all extrusions, and they're pretty sweet, so I'm going to them for pretty much everything else. But there you go, tent, and we'll be sharing all that info with you and how we do it, and go from there.